Hello YouTube, this is Brian Tubbs coming at you with another video. I was telling you guys about a piece we called Child's Play a day or so ago, and I told you I was showing you guys how to make the boxes and put the boxes together and all that stuff. And I told you I was shooting another video once I got to a certain point. Start putting blocks together. So the blocks are put together now, and this is what they look like. They're lying down on their side. So what I'm doing now is passivating the stainless steel piece. And what that is after you grind stainless steel or weld on it or anything like that, you have to passivate it. And what the passivation does is bring the chromium layer out of the stainless steel, puts it back on top of the stainless steel. Because when you grind stainless steel or you weld on it or anything like that, you remove that chromium layer, and then stainless steel becomes just like regular mild steel. People think that stainless steel can't rust, but that is not the case at all. Stainless steel will rust just like any other steel if you take that chromium layer off the top. So again, all I'm doing is restoring that chromium layer to the top by passivating it. And all I'm doing is taking this chemical and putting it on with a paintbrush. This is one of our secrets that I don't tell guys in the field or at the art shows, because they ask us how do we passivate it. But this is one way to do it. It's by Stellar Solutions. It's CitraSurf 2310. It's a gel formula that we use, and we just brush it around with the brush. They sell another one like 2306 or something to that effect, but it's more of a liquid. I don't want a liquid. I want something that's gonna kind of hang on, because I'm doing like verticals. All of our stuff is not horizontal. It's a lot of verticals. So I need something that's going to hold on once I brush it on. So that's the secret. Don't tell anybody I told you guys that we use CitraSurf 2310 to passivate. Alright, so I'm going to just go over it again. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove all the passivation material, because you do not want this thing to dry. If you get this chemical dried on there, it's going to turn like a chalky powder, and it's hard as anything to get it off. You do not want to get it on there and let it stick on there, because it's hard as anything to get it off. What you do is just to get it off, you just get some water and a hose and just spray it. Like on a really hot day, and you have a slight breeze, this stuff will dry almost right away. So what you want to do when you put it on a hot day, you just want to get like a little mist and just mist it, just to keep it somewhat moist. It won't remove all of it. It'll just remove a little bit, but you'll still have enough on there to do the passivation process. All right. I think that's pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and stand it up. Well, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my dryer and kind of blow some of the water off. Then I'll stand it up, blow some more off. Then I'll put a second chemical on it to continue the passivation process. All right. So this is my blower. It's gonna be a little bit loud, but I just gotta blow some of this off here. Alright guys, that'll be it for today. Now it's just a matter of just standing it up and letting it dry. Alright guys, it's been good, and I'll talk to you soon.